this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho CRM to N8N. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and click on this plus icon inside N8N, and then you want to go ahead and search for Zoho CRM, okay, just like that. And then you want to click on the one that pops up. It's going to be only one, and then you can go ahead and select your action. So we're going to go ahead and select create a contact, but of course for you, you can go ahead and select any action. Of course, this is dependent on whatever you're trying to actually create inside N8N. I'm going to click on this. And then here, you want to first make sure you click on credentials over here, and then click on create new credential. And in here, you first want to create your account. Of course, by that I mean connect your account. So here where it says access token URL, you want to click on that and select the region you want to go with. I'm going to go with the European one. And then here, you want to click on connect my account. It's going to open up a separate window where you can basically sign into your account with your email address or mobile number. And if you don't have an account, you can sign up over here. And after you do that, you'll basically have to just sign in using this window, and then you'll be able to connect and go ahead and get started. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.